Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mr. Dancy Pants, and today we are taking a look at the coin purse knot. Now for this knot, you are going to need an extra prop, in this case, a coin, hence the name. I recommend a 50-cent piece, but you can go as low as a quarter or somewhere in the middle. If you're wearing a yellow-toned outfit, you can go with a Sacagawea dollar or any of the gold presidential dollars. If you happen to have a Morgan silver dollar that you don't mind wearing on your neck, you can go with something like that too. So let's go ahead and take off the vest, undo the knot, and we'll begin. Now, to start this knot, what we're going to do is have the blade of our tie on the right, the tail of our tie on the left. We're going to get our crease into the tie by folding it in and folding it back on itself. We're going to bring that to the center so that the tip of the tie is just about 4 fingers above the waist. Now, we're going to take the tail of the tie, we're going to bring it over and up through the collar, and then down on the right side, bring it behind the knot, up and through the collar so that it's in the back. We're going to bring it back over to the right hand side and then bring it across. We're going to bring this up through the collar. You're going to find that many ties start this way. So we've got it through the collar and we're going to bring it down to the right. But before we do, we're going to go ahead and fold the tail in half. All right, so we're folding the tail in half with the crease going to the inside. Now we're going to bring it down the right-hand side behind the knot on the bottom to the left. Now we're going to wrap it around the waist of the knot right there. And we're going to bring it back around the back and then up and over the center through the collar. So you can see it comes down around the back, spirals around the front, back around the back, and up the left. Now, to lock this in place, we're going to take the tail and we're going to loop it up and over the neck piece of the tie. And then we're going to take the excess and we're going to tuck it into our shirt between the collar and the second button. We're going to adjust it here. Now, we need to make a little bit of space because this is where we take our coin, which gives the knot its name. So I prefer to use a 50-cent piece. You can use a gold dollar, but I like something that's larger. Plus, I really like the spread eagle on this coin. So we're going to tuck that in there. Now what we're going to do is we want to make sure that the bottom is nestled into the loop going around the waist of the knot. That's what's going to keep it from just plummeting straight out the bottom. Now the top here, we don't want it to cover the center of the coin, but it is going to tuck into the corners up here. Now from here, we're just going to use the bottom, the waist of the knot, and we're going to use that to push the coin up, which also helps fluff the knot just a little bit. Then we're going to take the collar and we're going to bring it down. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the coin purse knot. This is a wonderful conversation starter because people will start talking to you as though you have a regular tie knot, and then they'll look really close and say, wait, is that a coin in there? That's wild. So it is a wonderful icebreaker, very subtle at the start, but an excellent conversation maker. If you like what you see here, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, make sure you hit the notification bell so you get a notification every time I release a new tie tutorial. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time. Take care.